Are you a professional designer? If yes, swipe up. This video is not for you. If no, then stick around because I'm going to teach you how to solve a pain you've probably experienced many times, and I'll teach you how to do it for free. Okay, so let's say you have a website experience that you want to replicate. So I'm going to go ahead and play an example here of a screen recording of a website experience that I want to replicate. As you can see, as we swipe up, the map disappears, the nav bar stays constant, and then we click on this and it brings us to the top. So let's say you want to describe that experience that we just saw in a way to somebody that they will understand, like a detailed format in words that they would understand, because what I just said isn't good enough. So what you would do is, first, you go to the website that analyzes videos. In this case, I got a free tool here called Video Summarizer by Lulo. Next, you take that screen recording, so make sure you have the screen recording. You upload it here, as you can see it's being uploaded. Then this tool, how this tool works is it watches the video, and based on the prompt it gives an answer. Other AI tools don't watch videos. What other AI tools do is they convert the audio into a transcript and then take a summary of that. So see, there's no audio in this video, so we need AI that actually watches it. This one does. So we need a prompt. I already have it here just to save time. Read it out. How do I describe the user experience in a way the designer would understand? Note that when the user scrolls through the page that the navigation bar disappears. How do I describe this? I'll copy this. We'll put it in here, customize the question, and we'll go ahead and analyze the video. And it's, as you can see, we got the results here. The navigation bar at the top of the screen uses a hide and scroll behavior. This means that when the user scrolls down, the navigation bar animates out of the view, maximizing the real estate, blah, blah, blah. It goes into the details here. There you go. You copy and paste this, you give it to your developer, or you put it into Cursor or Windsurf or whatever, and it will create it exactly how you want. There you go. Enjoy.